The Colorful Apple Adventure. In a bright and sunny orchard, where the trees danced in the breeze, there lived a very special apple named Nixen. Each day, he changed colors like a rainbow. One morning, Nixen woke and looked in the mirror of dew. "Today, I want to be a cheerful yellow," he decided with a smile. "Good morning, Nixen," sang the butterflies. "You look so bright and sunny today." Feeling happy, Nixen rode down the tree, bouncing through the grass, and met Aiden the bunny. "Wow, Nixen, you look like a ray of sunshine," Aiden exclaimed. "What adventure are you off to today?" "I want to visit the blue pond," Nixen replied. "I think I'll turn blue when the water splashes on me." So off they went, through the orchard, where the flowers were bright and the bees buzzed happily. Soon, they reached the blue pond. As Nixen rode closer, a big splash of water jumped up, and just like that, Nixen turned the most beautiful shade of blue. "Look at me," he laughed, swirling in the water. Suddenly, Zach the squirrel scampered by. "You look fantastic, Nixen. Blue suits you well." "Thank you, Zach. Now, let's see what other colors I can be today," Nixen replied excitedly. Next, Nixen pondered. What about the color purple? So, he set off to explore the purple fields. Upon arriving, he tumbled down and found himself nestled in a bed of soft, purple blossoms. "Wow, now I'm purple," Nixen exclaimed, laughing as he stumbled about. "I feel vibrant and full of life." At that moment, Bella the ladybug zoomed past. "You're absolutely unique, Nixen," she declared. "What color to try next?" Nixen thought for a moment. "How about a bright orange at sunset?" He hurried back to the orchard just in time to catch the sun dipping low. With a gentle breeze, he closed his eyes and turned orange. "Look at him shine!" Aiden called out. "You look like the setting sun itself, Nixen." As nighttime approached, Nixen transformed into a lovely shade of red, resembling the twinkling evening stars. "I can't believe how many colors I can be," Nixen sighed happily, feeling grateful for his wonderful day. As the stars began to twinkle, Nixen knew it was time to rest. "I can't wait for tomorrow. What new adventures and colors will I discover?" With that thought, Nixen drifted off to sleep, dreaming of all the colors yet to come in his beautiful orchard home. After a magical night, Nixen woke up and felt the warmth of the morning sun. "Today, I want to be a lovely pink," he declared with excitement. He rolled out of his cozy spot and set off to find something that inspired the color pink. "Perhaps the blooming cherry blossoms will do the trick," Nixen thought. When he reached the cherry trees, Nixen rode right into a gentle gust that sent pink petals swirling all around him. "Here I go," he cheered, closing his eyes as he turned a bright, cheerful pink. Just then, Aiden hopped over, his eyes wide with delight. "Nixen, you look so beautiful. Pink is perfect for you. I feel lovely and joyful," Nixen gushed. "What adventure shall we have in this new color?" Next, Nixen thought. "How about trying a vibrant orange? I'll visit the sunny pumpkin patch." Off they went to the pumpkin patch, where pumpkins rolled over the ground, bursting with the color of harvest and joy. Nixen rode onto a warm orange pumpkin, feeling the sun's embrace. "Look at me, I'm orange now," Nixen exclaimed. "I feel so warm and inviting, just like the fall." Zach scampered by, his eyes wide. "You look like a delicious pumpkin pie, Nixen," he chuckled, adding a playful twinkle to the atmosphere. "Let's make the most of this sunny day together," Aiden suggested. "With every new color, we discover something special." Next, Nixen wondered, what about a bright green? "I want to feel as fresh as the grass on the hill." When he reached the hill, Nixen rode down and landed right in a patch of soft, green grass. "Wee!" he giggled, feeling the tickle of the cool blades beneath him. "Whoa! Now I'm a bright and lively green," Nixen shouted with delight, dizzy from rolling around. "I feel fresh and energetic, just like spring." Just then, Bella the ladybug flew by and landed on Nixen's head, her tiny wings glimmering in the sunlight. "You're the most vibrant apple in the orchard, Nixen. Green suits you perfectly," she cheered, her tiny wings shimmering with delight. In his excitement, Nixen declared, "Let's go on an adventure in this beautiful green color. I want to explore the vibrant life around us." As they explored, they clambered up the hill, discovering a hidden sparkling stream at its peak. Nixen couldn't help but roll around in the soft grass, feeling the energy of nature around him. "Look at the world below," Aiden exclaimed. "Everything looks so vibrant and alive up here." "I love how every color brings its own stories and feelings," Nixen reflected. "Yellow for joy, blue for fun, red for warm sunsets, and purple for dreams, pink for joy and warmth, orange for the cozy comfort of autumn. Green reminds me of growth, renewal, and all the happiness around us." And so, the magical journey of Nixen the colorful apple continued, with each day welcoming new colors and adventures. May your days be as colorful and adventurous as Nixen's.